YouTube? It's your girl Candace, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. That was weird. Everyone who is everyone and anyone who is anyone knows that Candace lives for Fashion Nova. Not even kidding. Everything that I pretty much put on my body, well, clothing wise, is purchased from Fashion Nova. I'll post a picture here. That's Fashion Nova. That's a Fashion Nova. These boots are from Fashion Nova. I'm telling you, everything that I pretty much wear is Fashion Nova. I rock Fashion Nova. I tell people about Fashion Nova. I get so excited over Fashion Nova. I probably purchase way too much from them, and I think I purchase maybe like an order once a week. Anyways, I'm basically saying all of this because my favorite online shopping store, my go-to online shopping store, is definitely Fashion Nova. Not only do they have a bunch of things to order from, like a huge variety of clothing, from sweaters. Oh, this is from Fashion Nova. Actually, no, it's not. My bad. Anyways, they have a huge variety of clothing, from sweaters to jeans, my favorite part on their website, from tops to pajamas to bathing suits to jewelry to just anything you can think of, they've got it. Y'all, they even have a maternity line. Okay. But besides how cute and amazing their clothing is, their prices are great. I can get good deals on Fashion Nova, from sale to just having cheap prices in general. So today I have decided to unbox my Fashion Nova order. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox my package full of Fashion Nova things, the Lego. So when you order through them, it'll come in a big package like this. I'm pretty sure there's like 12 things in here, maybe more, I don't even know. I ordered so much I don't even remember what I ordered. I'm just letting you know. But yes, it'll come in a big bag like this, or a small one depending on what you order. And the cool thing about them is if you spend more than $75 on your order, then you get free shipping. Also, this video is not sponsored, but I just love Fashion Nova so much that I had to share it with you guys. And also, Fashion Nova, if you need someone to just share the good news about your wonderful, website, holla at your girl. Okay, anyways, let's get started. So I will link everything that I purchased down below in the description box, just in case you like something that I bought and you want to go get it for yourself. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this Sunday Kind of Love Duster jacket. I believe it's like a long cardigan. Let's open it up and see. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. I didn't even know that it had a hood. So it's a big long cardigan that kind of like touches the floor, which I love cardigans like that. And it has a hood on it. So that's super cute. And it's like a charcoal kind of color. It's not quite gray. It's a little darker than gray, but it's also not black either. I think this would be cute. You can wear like a cute top with it and some jeans and some boots. You could either dress this up or dress it down. Cute. Next I have... Ooh, this is so cute. Oh, I have this cute cropped sweater. I remember purchasing this. This is like a cute sweater, but it's a turtleneck. Isn't that cute? I'm really into neutral colors right now. I feel like I'm on the other side of neutrals, where I'm wearing like blacks and whites and grays. So I kind of want to venture out into other neutrals, like creams, as you can see, or like browns that kind of mix with black. And I have black slacks that I got in my other Fashion Nova order literally last week, and they're black, and I thought that they'd be really, really cute with this sweater. Like, it's a cropped sweater, and the slacks that I have are high-waisted slacks, so it'll be so cute with this. I gotta position myself because the way I'm sitting, oh, much better. The next thing that I have is... I don't remember. This cute shit. This cute see-through like sheer top. This is so cute. It's see-through. Okay. And I got this, and I remember now. One of the other things that I got in here is a cute like, I don't know what they call them, bandeaus or bandeaus, I don't know, but it's like a cute, pretty lacy bra-ish type thing, and I was gonna wear it underneath this, and I like that it has the collar on it. I think that's so cute. Yeah, and I could wear this with some jeans. Oh my gosh, so cute. Next thing I got was a t-shirt. Something that I could lounge around in at the house. I thought it was cute. Shout out to Benjamin, because we always be low riding. Anyways, yes, I thought it was a cute little top. Just something I can walk around the house in, just something I can lounge in, or something that I can throw on real quick if I need to go to the grocery store, things like that. So yeah, got this. The next thing that I got, oh, this one is my favorite. I got this cute jacket. This actually is showing different on the camera, but this is actually a burgundy. Oh yeah, that actually that's a little more accurate to the color that it is. It's a little bit darker than what you see on the camera, but this is yeah, it's like a dark red burgundy jacket. I think this is so cute. I love the back. Oh, I love the back, how it has the little tie on it. I think this is cute. You can wear this with some jeans and a cute little top underneath. You could dress it up, you could dress it down, and I mean, I needed a new jacket, and it looks very warm, and it has a hood on it so I could wear it out in the rain. I think this is really cute. So I got this jacket. Okay, this is the cute bra that I was telling you guys about. Okay guys, it's gonna look a little like provocative on the screen, but I promise it's not like that. It's a cute like little lacy bra. And I actually thought that it was longer than what it is. On the website, the girl who wore it, it looked like it kind of went down lower, almost to a little bit above her belly button. But it looks fairly short here, so I don't know, but I still think it's cute. We'll see how it looks. Anyways, yeah, I got this cute little bra. Y'all should see the mess. Okay, paper and plastic everywhere. Alright, the next thing I got were these cute jeans. Yay! I needed some new jeans. Actually, that's a lie. Okay. I didn't need any new jeans, but I just wanted some new jeans. All of the jeans that I have, I'm not even kidding, are from Fashion Nova. I'm looking at my pair of jeans over there that I purchased like a while ago that are probably one of my favorite pair of jeans, Fashion Nova. There's a pair of jeans on my bed that I purchased from last week's order, Fashion Nova. I'm telling y'all, I still have a package right here from last week's order from Fashion Nova that is sitting right over there. I literally ordered from Fashion Nova like a week ago, and then I ordered this one like 2 days ago. I have a problem. Anyways, I got these jeans. I wear a size 5 in their jeans. Their jeans are super stretch for the most part, and it'll tell you in the description when you look up their jeans, it'll say so and so amount of spandex, and that means that their jeans are stretchy. If they aren't stretchy, like I have a pair of boyfriend jeans that have no stretch at all, they will say in the description no stretch, so you'll know. But yes, I am a size 5 and I got these jeans. I wanted some jeans that every single pair of jeans that I have from them have tons of rips in the thigh and the leg just in general, and I wanted some that kind of was just a little more subtle. So I got these light jeans, light blue jeans, and they only have a little bit of rip, and the rip, as you can see, aren't really open like that. And then for the rest of the jean, there's nothing else on it. Yep, and they're ankle jeans too, so got these. Hello? Anything else in here? And the last thing that I got from Fashion Nova, one second, pause for effect, was another pair of jeans. Oh, I can already tell I'm gonna really like these. I also got some light blue jeans as well, and these have no rips in them at all. That way that I can wear these to like church and stuff like that. I have a lot of dark wash jeans just because I feel like I look better in dark wash jeans. I never really was into lighter jeans, but I decided to branch out because I need a little variety for myself. I saw these and I thought these were cute. And yeah, and they're, I like the high pockets on the booty. I think they're gonna be really, really cute. And so yeah, I got these as well. And that is it. That is all that I got from Fashion Nova. My package is empty. So since I have nothing else to show you guys, I guess that is it for my Fashion Nova unboxing haul video type thing. I will link the website below. Just go, trust me, you will not be disappointed. Go visit Fashion Nova, let them bless your life. Okay, I'm done being goofy, I swear. But I hope you all liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for your girl. Please comment, share, subscribe. Please go visit fashionnova.com, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!